Om Sai Ram, welcome to Sai Children YouTube channel. So today we are going to start finally the experience sharing episodes as well as Sai Satcharitra storytelling episodes. So although we had decided to share Sai Satcharitra stories today and experiences on Thursday, but I'm changing it for this week since I want to start the videos with sharing of experiences, my personal experience. So, before I start with my own experience, I would request all of you to share your experiences. You all can connect with me via Instagram or mail ID. Yes, obviously email ID. So the details of both of them have been provided in the description below, so you can check them out. And do connect and share your experience whenever Baba permits you. So, this experience which I am going to share is a real incident which happened with me on 25th of October 2021. Means it's a very recent experience, almost a month ago. So that day was not a very happy and fresh day. It was actually a very gloomy day for me because that day my parents had some arguments which turned into a fight, and I was very disappointed because of that. Because I'm kind of person, who always loves to be cheerful, happy and joyous. I'm always like, if something is not happening as per my desire or as per my plan, I'm like, okay, let it go. And I'm kind of easygoing person. I don't like fights at all. Not even for a second I like anyone fighting. I like, calm, peace and good people. So even if my parents have arguments amongst themselves, that day turns out to be a bad day for me. Sometimes it happens. I guess it happens in all the houses sometimes, right? So I was very sad, and as I said, it was a very gloomy day. So when my parents had left for work and my brother was in his school, and since that day was a holiday for me, I was at my home and I was thinking. Actually, I was overthinking that day, walking up and down the gallery, and I was thinking, nonchalantly asking Baba so many questions. Why Sai? Why this? Why that? So many things I asked Baba. And that day I was actually having a fight with Baba. So I was all disappointed. And then since it was a winter timing, October, November, December, October winter starts only. So, and the place where I live, so it was cold. So I was going to take a bath. So as I entered the washroom, and my bucket was full of hot water. My bucket was full of hot water because it had come fresh from the geyser. And you see, now what happens was, I was still thinking about what had happened in morning, and I was thinking about life, so many things. And as if that day was passing melancholy that day. So I was all sad and I was overthinking that day. So when I took a mug of water and I splashed on my face, I gained back all my senses, because unknowingly, mistakenly, and this was not unknowingly, it was one of the biggest stupidity I did, I splashed the hot water on my face, fresh from the geyser, the water which came. I splashed that on my face, and you can imagine how it starts burning and what amount of pain it actually gives when you splash hot water on your face, and not just one or two drops, the entire mug full. So I gained back all my senses and I shouted Sai, because I was busy with my thoughts. So I was present physically at my house, but mentally I was somewhere else. So after I splashed that hot water on my face, it started burning. So anyhow, then I splashed cold water on my face, but still it was burning. So anyhow, after everything, I came out of the washroom and then I sat in front of Baba. So it was those days in October when I used to read 2 chapters of Sri Sai Satcharitra every morning after taking a proper bath in front of Baba. So I started reading Sri Sai Satcharitra. So see, now Baba's plans are so perfect. That day I was supposed to read chapter 33 and 34. Now 33 and 34 are chapters in my Satcharitra which I have. In that it has stories related to Udi. How Baba's Udi Udi is the sacred ash, which is a miracle, which is a blessing, and how it has cured so many devotees. So I started reading that chapter, and I will also say before that, I also applied Udi Tika on my forehead because Udi was kept there. That packet, I saw the packet of Shirdi Udi which was kept near Baba's feet. So I took and applied on my forehead. I did not apply on entire of my face, and I even did not pray to Baba to heal me because it was paining, and I thought, okay, let me start reading Sai Satcharitra. So with that pain, I started reading Sai Satcharitra, but slowly, since I concentrated on what I was studying, so I forgot the pain, because previously my face was burning out of pain. So after I finished reading both the chapters, my pain vanished, and I was really shocked, and anyone who would be at my place would be shocked, because even if a drop of hot water spills on our skin, very hot water, so sometimes you will also get a mark on your skin and boil, so many things happens, and my entire face was burned, but there was not a single indication of that. No mark of burning was there. My pain had subsided, actually it vanished, and I was all fit and fine after that. So I was so happy to receive this Baba's blessing, this Udi miracle. So Udi is actually a sacred ash, and it has the power to protect us from anything. No matter that deluge and devastation comes from where, but Baba will protect. So this was my experience, how Baba saved my face and my texture, my face from burning, because there is no mark of any burn, no burn marks are there on my face, and I'm completely fine. I was completely fine then and there after doing Parayan, means after reading Sai Satcharitra. So this is my experience, how Baba protected me, how Baba saved me, how Baba's Udi is a blessing. So I hope you all enjoyed listening to this experience, and I would request each one of you to share your experiences, and you can connect to me. Check out in the description, you will get the details. And coming Thursday, I am asking you all, what do you want? You want to hear experience, or you want to hear the story from Sri Sai Satcharitra? Do let me know in the comment section below.